Alright, so for this part of the lesson, we're going to be going over improper fractions and mixed numbers. A mixed number is when you have a whole number with a fraction attached to it, and an improper fraction is when the numerator is larger than the denominator. So you have more pieces than you do wholes. So that happens when, say you have 4 whole boxes, and our friend Jade has colored in 3.5 of these boxes. So we've got 1, 2, 3.5. So 3 1/2 is a mixed number. So 3 is the whole number, and 1/2 is the fraction. So you have a mixed number, right? A whole number and a fraction combined together. An improper fraction is the same thing but written differently. So if we look at it down here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 halves, and 7 of the 8 halves have been colored. So you could write that as 7 out of 2, 7 halves. 3 1/2 is equal to 7 halves. It's the same number. So 3.5 and 7.5 are equal. One is a mixed number, and the other is an improper fraction. So Jade has colored 3.5 rectangles, or she's colored 7 halves of a rectangle. Down here, Samir has done the same thing. He's colored 2 3/4 of a circle. So he's colored this whole circle, and then he's colored 3 out of the 4 pieces of this circle. So we can do the same thing. We can look at that as 2 3/4, a mixed number. Or we can count how many quarters he's drawn individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 out of 4. So that's an improper fraction. The number on top, the numerator, is larger than the denominator. So how can you have 11 pieces of 4? Well, you can't. So that's when we convert it to a mixed number. So anytime you have an improper fraction, you want to try to change it to the mixed number form. And we'll get to how to do that later. But for now, just know you've got mixed numbers and improper fractions. They're equal to each other. They mean the same thing. They just look different. That's all there is to that.